Step into a world of excellence, comfort and pride with Royal Foam Furniture, crafted to perfection right here in Uganda. We bring you state-of-the-art living room furniture and bedding products at affordable prices. Our wide variety of mattresses include orthopedic, pillow top, spring mattresses suitable for institutions like hotels and many others for home comfort. With every piece telling a story of royal excellence, our products are built with the highest quality materials made to last. Experience royalty with Royal Foam Furniture, proudly made in Uganda, so buy Uganda and build Uganda. Visit our showrooms at Ginger Road, Chambogo Junction, Bukota Chisasi Road, and on Victoria Mall, Entebbe, on the first floor.
Get value for your money by choosing the right paint. We have weather coat emulsion, undercoat emulsion, silk vinyl emulsion, flat emulsion, super gloss and high gloss. Global Paint, a reliable product.
Good evening, our viewers of UBC TV. My name is Samuel Kovwemi, the sales manager here at Chint Center. I'm very happy to be hosted on the Lens program. I bring you warm greetings from Chint family and Chint Electric as a brand. Chint Center is a talk of the town today. I want to make it more clearer to you so that you know when people are talking about Chint Center, what is it? The story of Chint Center is better told by the person who comes to Chint Center, really. Because what you find at Chint Center is much more than what you hear in the town, and it's beyond such a glittering, magnificent facility in Kampala City, or a big lighting bulb, what people are calling it today. There's a lot more. But altogether, Chint Center is a one-stop solution for electrical solutions, electrical products, and we are talking about both the smart electrical solutions and the conventional electrical solutions. And we know when we talk about the smart electrical solutions, we are talking about even the latest innovations that we have in the electrical world. You know, Chint as a company and as a brand has been here in Uganda for around 20 years now. So we bring to the Ugandan market a long period of experience in the electrical world, in the electrical solutions, and we bring the best products. From the smallest shop selling electrical accessories downtown in Nakasero, Chint has evolved to what you see today, the magnificent Chint Center. Because what you see here is not alone. We have branches in town. We have a big branch at 6th Street in industrial area. We also have a branch downtown in Nakasero on Duster Street. You will also find Chint. And when you go across the country, different major cities have our outlets. You'll find our brand there, Chint Electric. So we bring a very long period of experience, and we have been supporting not only the housing, the domestic electrical solutions, but we are also supporting the industries. The industries that you see growing, very many commercial buildings coming up across the country. We have been supporting the construction industry in that area of electrical. So what we bring is actually a very strong experience from very good qualified engineers, and that's why you see we are here with a magnificent magnificent Chint Center. Now, bringing you back here at Chint Center, when you visit us, you find the latest of innovations in electrical solutions, most especially integrated smart electrical solutions. You know, as Uganda is developing at a very fast rate, because of course of the good investment environment, because of hardworking Ugandans advancing to take Uganda to the first world, we need to move fast with that development requirement. That's why Chint keeps innovating. When you come to Chint Center, you will find we have a solution that the systems that we put in our homes, we do not need to operate them. We are now in the e-world. You operate your lights using technology. You operate your home appliances using technology. Imagine a situation where you enter a house and you're tired. You have no time to go and switch on the curtains. You just talk to the curtains. Please open. They open themselves. You understand? Please close. They close themselves. You talk to the music. Play. The music system plays itself. That is the smart living we are talking about. And we are not doing only that. Even the comfortable smart living, a comfortable living environment in our homes, the general home setup. We are not only in electrical when you enter Chint Center. At this level, Chint Center is also a home to a very good brand in home setup solutions, in terms of kitchens, in terms of living room setups, bedroom setups, a very formidable brand on the international market, very high quality, Opain. So we are glad also to bring, Chint Center is also glad to bring to you the Opain. You can visit us anytime. We have a very competent team of interior designers, technical designers, who will take you through what we have. And you have a very comfortable living home, integrated with smart electrical appliances, integrated with the conventional smart electrical solutions. So that's what forms Chint Center. And of course, at the baseline of this are our customers who have been with us for the period of what I have mentioned, 20 years, to project us to where we are today. We are really proud of our customers. And really, we don't take their support for granted. That's why we keep innovating. That's why we keep bringing in new products. And that's why we keep really polishing our services to suit their expectations. When you come to Chint Center, you really expect a high level of customer service and customer care from our strong, well-trained sales team, but also the qualified engineers with very many years of experience in providing all these integrated solutions. So when you come to Chint Center, you just know that you have come to China or Dubai here in Kampala City. That's what Chint Center is bringing to Uganda. When we opened up Chint Center, I can confess many customers that we interacted with when we exposed them to our products. There are customers who gave a testimony that I had already placed an inquiry to make an order in China for lights, for these smart appliances. I'm going to give you the order now. And indeed, they have already given us the orders. So we are bringing an alternative, not having to travel to China to get the best that you need, not having to travel to Dubai Everything is here in Kampala City at Chint Center. Apart from the smart solutions, we are talking about Chint having that long experience in electrical world. We are talking about electrical products ranging from the substation where UEDCL starts to distribute power. All the products from there up to the end when you turn on a switch and off or a light. All the products in that downstream are with us here at Chint Center. So people should not say that when you are looking for lights, it's only when you come to Chint. No. A variety of industrial products, a variety of construction electrical products to support our construction industry is available here at Chint Center. For example, if when power leaves the distribution, the substation, there are transformers that UEDCL gives to different areas or allows people to purchase for their facilities. When you need a transformer, you come to Chint Center or any of our branches of Chint Electric. They are available. We are talking about power transmission and distribution. The transmission cables, the overhead lines that run, the cables which are used, the all aluminum conductors, the ABC cables, we are manufacturing them ourselves here in Uganda. And of course, government has put that as a policy of buy Uganda, build Uganda, and at Chint Center, we have really carried that forward. Take an example. When we get power, we need to manage it. When we are using it, we need to manage it, how we are metering it, to monitor how we are using it. Chint, many years back, has already came up with the metering solutions. Many Yaka meters, which are being used right now in your different homes, you'll find they are Chint. They are manufactured here in Uganda. In 2021, 2022, His Excellency President Yoweri Museveni officially opened our Chint metering factory at Mbale Industrial Park, and those are the meters that we have been supplying over the years to UEDCL, previously UMEME, and we are in good terms with Uganda Electricity Distribution Company Limited to continue supplying those Chint Yaka meters. Those meters that we are using are manufactured here, like I said, and we are really grateful to government supporting us with the system of Buy Uganda, Build Uganda. And we also request that government will consider more to make sure that every meter that is used in our households in Uganda is manufactured in Uganda. I think that's what we all long for in the process of import substitution. Now, not talking about meters only, when you come to Chint Center or when you come to any of our branches in town or even across cities in Uganda, all the cables that we sell are manufactured by ourselves. We have our entity, our own factory for manufacturing cables, Standard Cable Corporation, manufacturing a range of cables. Like I said, right from transmission cables, overhead line construction cables, ABC cables for LOV power distribution, the underground cables for our factories or even for our compounds, the surface cables and the cables that run in conduits, the single cores cables, the DC cables, the flexible cables, all that we use are manufactured here. So, of course, when we manufacture here, the advantages are that our cables come with a very good price, and our cables come with a very high quality standard. Of course, well monitored by our regulatory authorities here like UNBS. They have been tested, proven to be a very good 99.9% copper, and we currently importing a lot of copper, of course, and we look forward that with government's effort in reviving Kilembe mines, when time comes, we shall be one of the biggest consumers of copper, also from our own Uganda. And that one implies, of course, that our prices will go low. We are looking forward to that, and we are praying that government and all of us as Ugandans achieve that.
You are watching the Lens program. Stay tuned.
Step into a world of excellence, comfort and pride with Royal Foam Furniture, crafted to perfection right here in Uganda. We bring you state-of-the-art living room furniture and bedding products at affordable prices. Our wide variety of mattresses include orthopedic, pillow top, spring mattresses suitable for institutions like hotels, and many others for home comfort. With every piece telling a story of royal excellence, our products are built with the highest quality materials made to last. Experience royalty with Royal Foam Furniture, proudly made in Uganda, so buy Uganda and build Uganda. Visit our showrooms at Ginger Road, Chambogo Junction, Bukoto Chisasi Road, and on Victoria Mall, Entebbe, on the first floor.
Welcome back from the break. This is the Lens program.
In this section where I'm standing, we have all sorts of garden lights. We have the pole garden lights, we have the short pillar garden lights, we also have the wall bracket garden lights. As you can see, they're all solar powered because they all have solar panels, and they have that decorative light that will bring out the best in your compound. So now basically we take them, you cast the compound, and then you install them. Now when we talk about rooftop solutions, as Chint, we have brought to you the best and the state-of-the-art technology. In this technology, we include solar panels, which are double-sided, solar panels which are highly effective in converting sun energy into electrical energy. We are also talking about the inverters. Our inverters are hybrid inverters with capabilities of handling high loads. They can also handle more than 2 or 3 sources of power. This includes saying that if you have a generator source, a solar panel source, the UEDC-L, which is the grid source of power. Now the inverter is capable of handling this source of power and converting it into something that you can use. We also talk of the latest batteries, which are lithium-ion batteries. We have the LV domestic batteries, and we also have the HV industrial lithium batteries. These batteries store energy which will be used by your appliances, and also these batteries have the ability to be intelligent, whereby they can communicate with each other. In these instances, such capabilities of the batteries give them a very long lifespan, which can come up to like 20 years.
Good evening. I am Rita Asekenye. I'm an interior architect at Opain and a sales executive at the company as well. Opain is a luxury interior design brand, and what we do is custom solutions for home furnishings. So that ranges from bathrooms to wardrobes, but most, our core is the kitchens. So we offer custom solutions for kitchens, and we complement that with custom solutions for TV walls and wardrobes and bathrooms as well. So with the bathrooms, we have options that you can purchase and you can order, and we can have them shipped in. But we always recommend that you customize the bathrooms as well. And everything is available here at the showroom. You just have to drop by sometime, see what we have. Our design process is very seamless, and it usually starts with a site visit. But even then, we sometimes recommend that you share with us the floor plans. If you have a floor plan, and say if you have a site like Mbara or Soroti, like somewhere far from Kampala or Entebbe, we sometimes recommend that you give us the floor plans from the architect so we can work with those. But when it comes to the actual, before we place the actual orders for your products, we have to come do final checks. So that's when now we come for the actual site visit. So it's a very seamless process, and once you approve everything, we place the order. The orders take 3 to 4 months, and within that time the materials are brought in. Once they are in, that's now when we move into installation. And very good sales team as well, and they'll be happy to guide you through that process and give you more details on everything. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon all. My name is Hital Bausa, General Manager, Open Home Uganda. Here we are in Open at Chin Center, Jinja Road. We are based on customized home solution. As you know that you've been knowing Chint for a long time, last I think 20 years, you've been knowing Chint very well. And so that's why we brought another good brand in Ugandan market, which is called Open. And that Open brand actually gives a luxury to your home. And that's why we are here. Right now, while we are talking, this Open furnishing company is in being 500,000 square meter big place of work. Let's say we call manufacturing unit. Right now, while we are talking, we are over 8,000 showrooms worldwide and 140 countries in worldwide. So yes, it's a good brand, so that's why we are here.
Yeah, as this program is called The Lens, you know the lens focuses. We also have a focus as Chint. Our main focus currently is to have as much innovation as possible in meeting the electrical requirements and living requirements in the country. We are currently bringing in the electrical vehicle chargers, the EV chargers. If you move in one corner of Chint Center, you'll find we have electrical chargers. The government of Uganda is, of course, advancing this as a way to go, transforming the automotive industry to EV, electrical vehicles. And we shall look forward also to having partnership, and the relationship is on with Kira Motors to make sure we are giving support. When you move around the story of Chint Center, whatever is inside Chint Center is best told by the person who comes here. I have been around here. I'm the one who sells. I have managed to tell it to you, but just a bit. So find a time to come and visit us. You will really have memorable shopping experience. I want to wish you the best. The doors for Chint
Build Uganda. Visit our showrooms at Jinja Road, Chambogo Junction, Bukota Chisasi Road, and on Victoria Mall, Entebbe, on the first floor.
Get value for your money by choosing the right paint. We have weathercoat emulsion, undercoat emulsion, silk vinyl emulsion, flat emulsion, super gloss, and high gloss. Global Paint, a reliable product.